guess I'm gonna have to turn on the little camera. We are getting.
It's the World Cup time. It's the World Cup time. Stick up. Let's go.
Alright, I think we are live. Hello everybody. Welcome to the official Trenton Harris Gaming Channel Cup first tournament. I'm Trenton, and when you see in the next video, I'm probably pre-recording this, but today I'm gonna be playing Wheel of Fortune, and if I win this game, I get to go on to the next round for the tournament challenge. So I already have some people getting ready for the tournament, so yep, stay tuned for more people coming into the tournament. So I'm gonna go ahead and press play. I'm gonna set up my game. Yeah, so if I have to beat some games, I have to play like 5 games of this, and if I beat all those 5 games, I get to go on to the next round. So I have to do this, you guys. So I'm gonna do a little short round because we don't have a little bit of time. So my character looks good, so we're gonna start with that. So yeah, here we go. Remember, I had to beat 5 games to beat this.
Ladies and gentlemen,
here we go.
ready for tonight's hosts. Hello everyone, how are you? Good to see so many people here.
Oh my gosh.
Hope you're all well.
Here we go.
It says here, well, it doesn't say much. Why don't you tell us about yourself? Silent type, I see. Thank you for joining us today. Your outfit looks quite interesting. You must have visited the customization menu. How are you doing today? Well, I'll take that as a great. I'm sure you're ready to get started. It's time to start a toss-up round for $1,000. The category is occupation.
Alright, here we go. What is this, you guys? Oh,
Ready to solve,
well, somebody already got it. And
Are we all ready to start?
Yep, we are all ready.
Places. Shall we go ahead and start the round? The category is phrase.
Phrase? Okay.
Contestant number 2, you're up first, so take a spin.
Alright, here we go. Alright, she got 600.
600. Wow, not a single
Okay, so
one
we're
on
already
the board.
starting
I'm sorry.
bad.
Get out
Oh
of
my
there.
god. We are starting off bad.
Ouch. Bankrupt is always a painful
We're
one.
starting off the show bad already, y'all? Come on, y'all gotta do it like this, man. I have to beat 5 games in a row of this game, you guys. And no.
That's about as painful as bankruptcy gets.
Oh, we all did horrible. Oh my god. How are we doing so horrible? This is crazy.
500. Yes, we have some teas.
Thank you, Sarah, for getting something on the
You've
board.
got quite a bit of money now.
Alright, she got 600.
No, we don't see.
No, why? Sorry. $800.
We have 1 S.
Alright.
Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now.
Alright, alright, alright. You're doing good. I have to beat this game.
650.
If I
I'm
miss,
sorry, there are
if
none
I
on the
miss
board.
one game, then I'm out of the Trenton Harris gaming channel tournament.
Get out of
Oh, what? Why do I keep getting
there. I am
bankrupt?
very sorry. Just try to keep
Does the wheel
positive
just
thoughts,
hate
man.
me? The wheel just hates
If
me.
you'd like to buy a vowel, yes, we have some E's.
The wheel just hates me. The wheel just hates me.
You've certainly got the money. We have one A.
Wow.
Ouch. Bankrupt is always a painful one.
We got too many bankrupts in this show today. And I'm about to already lose in the game. If I miss one game, you got...
Come on, let's go.
This is crazy. How many
That's
bankrupts is it gonna...
painful as bankruptcy gets.
What is happening on the show today? Is the wheel just having a bad day? Just want to give people bankrupts? You better not.
Oh, no.
Are you kidding me? Yeah?
Ouch. Bankrupt is always a painful one.
Huh?
You know how people when they text you?
He texted me again?
Contact you?
Yeah. I said, thank you.
Come on, let's go.
Right
Just didn't make
Huh?
it this time.
there.
I'm
What, the
sorry.
PlayStation? Not yet. I can't create an account right now.
What?
I'm playing a game right now. Oh, my clothes in my closet.
Unfortunately,
Or
that's
right here.
not what we need.
Oh. I keep getting bankrupt. I'm just saying the wheel just hates me.
You need someone you can play with friends on. Who you ate lunch with today?
650.
Grace and stuff.
Yeah.
And who else?
That's,
Shannon
Yes,
and
we
Matt
have
and
some
something?
R's.
yeah.
Okay, you, her and Tina.
Don't go spend that
What's
all
Grace's
at once.
sister name?
Remember her, Olivia?
Oh, Lydia. Oh,
Really?
Sure, you can buy a vowel. We have one O.
What is this actually?
what's the phrase?
You'd like to
Yeah.
buy a vowel?
Yes.
Yes,
Lauren
we have some
Quinton.
I's.
ENG.
Hold on.
Contestant
W?
number one, go ahead and solve.
Do W.
Already solving.
Okay, so
Yeah.
W. N.
Now I got $1,000.
To be honest, I wasn't sure how you were going to solve this one.
Got my clothes.
Let's go ahead and start the round. The category is, what are you doing?
Alright. No. Oh, and it's time for the final spin, you
I'll give
guys.
the wheel one last spin.
Alright, so I have to get this right, or else I'm kind of winning. I'm tied with Sarah. I'm tied with Sarah, you guys. So I'm tied with Sarah. If I beat
Yes,
Sarah,
have some G's.
I could probably get to the bonus round, and I could probably do another round.
Great job.
If I
That's
miss,
quite a bit of cash
I'm
in your
out
pocket
of the
now.
Trenton Harris Gaming Channel
Contestant
Cup.
number 2, would you like to solve?
And this is only the first round.
Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry.
Alright, now it is back to me. I'm gonna get me an A.
Yes, we have some.
Okay, alright, alright. Alright, alright.
Contestant number 1, your chance to solve.
I gotta get... Oh, no, I don't want to solve now. What are you doing? It's
Yes,
the
we
category.
have some U's. Contestant number 2, your chance to solve. Do we have any of those? No, I'm sorry.
Alright, let's get an R.
Yes, we have some R's. Don't go and spend all that at once now. Contestant number 1, would you like to solve?
If I miss this, you guys, I'm out. I'm
Yes,
done.
we have some
I done lost the Trenton Harris Gaming Channel Cup. What is this?
Contestant number 2, would you like to solve? We have 1S. Don't go and spend all that at once now. Contestant number 3, your chance to solve.
Hold on, you guys. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I know what it is, you guys. Too.
Yes, we have some T's. I guess you'll be paying for dinner. Contestant number 1, your chance to solve.
M. Let's go, I won! Finally.
Wow, that is incredible. How did you come up with that?
Alright, I beat the first game now. It's time for the bonus round.
Let's get started.
It's time for the bonus round, baby. Alright, let's spin that wheel real quick. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we got an A. Alright, something good. Something good, you
Please
guys.
follow me over here.
Yeah, something really good.
Phrase. There are 6 letters we can give you. R, S, T, L, N, and E. Let's see what kind of help you
Are you kidding me?
You know the drill here. We need 3 consonants and a vowel.
Okay, I'm gonna get me in D, a P, a C, and an A.
I was pretty sure you were gonna get that one.
I know what this is. How am I supposed to know? Just one letter that's up there?
Time is short, so get ready to solve.
I don't know what this is. Why are you asking me what this is? Alright, I'm gonna have to pass.
You didn't get the bonus round, but you still came in first with the most money.
Oh, $35,000? Okay, so I didn't win, but I won the previous games. So that means I get to play the next round, which will be in another video. So I will be playing this again in another video. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. And I'll see you in round 2. Bye. I'm gonna have to turn on the... Y'all